Hello everybody, this is Jack and thanks for joining today's training. Yeah, I have been thinking about how can I improve your digital marketing. And we all know that AI will change everything what we do, make it easier what we do. But there's one thing I feel AI can help us a lot, and that is with answering calls. So you have of course seen my new AI call agent, and I came up with the idea to implement that in ConnectBoss because I see most communication, even when the number is on the website, goes via ConnectBoss. For some reason, people like to click on that widget when they see it, and they get invited for an action. And I the same experience Cynthia told me a few weeks ago that the first thing she does for every client is to put that ConnectBoss widget on their website. It's an easy thing to do, just a simple line of code, and can be customized to any website. And you can show email or not, text message or not, call or not, book a meeting or not, and many other things you can do with ConnectBoss. But there is now a new thing added to it, and that is answering calls. So typically, up to today, actually, I only show text message and email. I did not want to get interrupted by calls. I have I have 99% actually my phone on silent, and and I always ask my clients and people who know me to send me first a text message, and I'll get back to them. Um, but that doesn't help you. So that doesn't help you when you visit my website jackhopman.com or any lead, and you have questions, and maybe you are the one which rather call than text. And I kind of like text messages to receive, so I have time to respond. And with call, I feel, you have to answer the call or you lose the call. And I don't like that. And but with AI call, you can change that. You don't need to answer the call. The AI call agent can answer that call for you. You just have to enter the most asked questions and answers into the interface as a prompt, and the AI agent will answer the call for you. And you can always, you know, uh, transfer the call to your personal number once the caller really wants to speak with you. So you avoid spam calls. You answer likely the most asked questions. You the caller get always getting reasonable answer 24/7, and if it is urgent, you can transfer the call to your personal phone, or what I do is just ask for a send a text message or an email. So that is today's new update, and of course you will like to see a live demo. So if you should see my website, it is actually this widget can be on any website, and I configured actually today. This really what I did today is configure that widget in on Jackomet as a demo, but you can do it easily by yourself, and you will learn how to do it by yourself. So you click on the website visitor click on the widget. What they likely do when they want to contact you, they find that widget much easier than any contact form, and then you can enable how you want them to communicate with you. They can text you, they can call you, they can email you, they can book a meeting if you want. So if you go to call CD and log into your account, then you will see all those settings what you can do. All widgets. See how many widgets I have. So edit. They can book a video meeting with you. They can text you. They can email you. They can have a live chat if you really want to be online all the time. Book a meeting with you, and you can book a link to you. You can enable it to leave a voice message. You can link them to your WhatsApp and some advanced settings. And if you expand it, this what you see, what you get if you enable it. You see the live chat is shown in the interface. So let's do a live call and then see how it works out. And I will just ask. So actually, I didn't want to. I wanted to really do a live demo. So I invite you to enter in the chat the question what I should ask about Jack Hopman website or Jack Hopman products, or just ask, just enter a question, and let's see how the AI handles that question. I'm curious what you would ask if you on the website. Any questions? And I will use it. Just use the chat, and I will ask it during the live call. Yeah, good. I don't have. Terry, that is an excellent question. I haven't programmed that. I love it. That's the things what. So Terry asks, "Do you offer white label?" And I don't have that. I don't have that prompt. So I love it. Thank you. So just enter your question, and I will show you how to update that. You see here, Jacob support. I click on edit, and knowledge base, and then Terry said, "Do you offer white label?" And I haven't covered this. Yes, most products enables you to buy your own your domain, and the SaaS application will work. It will work as, how do you say that? Will work as your own application. It's not really not will work, but this and the SaaS application and your clients will perceive the SaaS perceive the SaaS as your own application. Yes, most will allow you to allow purchase domain, and your clients will perceive the SaaS application as your own. Okay. Okay, save. Any other question, you guys? Just ask me, and I will see if I enter that prompt. So what I did, actually, what in the backend, you see I have the call start about the support and call end. And then we have this knowledge base, which is a trial available. I just purchased them in. How can I schedule them in? Can I speak with Jack Hopman? How can I get production? How can I track my monthly paying clients? What's the call portal? What's the business director? What is Repify? Do you offer white label? Any other questions you guys can come up with? So just enter in the chat, and I will do it. So let me call us, and then of course we're going to test the white label from Terry. I love it. Call, and then enter your name, and then enter your mobile number. Okay.
calling Jack Hopman support. I'm your 24/7 AI phone.
My name is Jack, and my email is support@jackhopman.com.
Thank you, Jack. How can I assist you today?
Tell me more about your products.
Absolutely. We offer a range of digital marketing tools to help grow your business. For example, we have Easy Directory Pro for creating online directories, Rapify for building websites with ease, and Lead Finder Jack for lead collection. These tools are designed to streamline client prospecting and service delivery. Would you like more information on any specific product?
Tell me more about the call portal.
The call portal is a call tracking platform that assigns unique phone numbers to your marketing channels, like websites or ad campaigns. This helps you track performance, optimize ROI, and convert missed calls into text conversations. It features AI-powered call handling, mobile app integration, and detailed analytics. For more info, you can visit the call portal link on jackhopman.com.
Do you offer white label?
Yes, we do offer white label options. Most of our products allow you to use your own domain, so your clients will see the SAS application as your own. It's a great way to build your brand while providing top-notch services. Would you like more details on how this works?
No, that's fine. How can I get in contact with Jack Hopman?
To get in touch with Jack Hopman, you can send a text message via the ConnectBoss widget on jackhopman.com to request a meeting. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Jack. Thank you for calling Jack Hopman support. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out anytime. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. So, what do you guys think? So, I felt that SaaS didn't go well. I felt, yes, most probably about your domain and see the application. I don't really need the SaaS, I think, because I think SaaS doesn't come across as good. I don't think everybody knows the SaaS. Yeah, and didn't pronounce SaaS correctly. I felt that too. Let me save this. Or we have to do as.a.a. Maybe that better, but I think that's fine. We don't need to do the SaaS thing. See, so you see, and Arlene said, which products include the SaaS bundle? And I didn't have that. I didn't have that prompt, so let me add that. Okay, and then copy this, and then probably now what I did just before the meeting, I did this one. You see, I just did this enter those questions and answers. We don't need that. Okay. Okay. See, I don't know how that will work out, but I like to try it. Okay. I think what we want to say is, I cannot say every product, but for more info for each product, I would say for more info, about Sales Dynamite Jack. Sales Dynamite, I feel J now, Jack. You can find the link on jackhopman.com. Save. And Drew asks, can we overlay this on prospect website to demonstrate? Yeah, you overlay. I'm not sure what you mean overlay, but what you get is you go to the ConnectBoss and all the widgets, and then you get a script, and that's all what you need to do. And the reply is easy, and you have a WordPress plugin, it's easy. And if you need help to put a script in it, then just provide website login, and we will add it for you. Okay, now I'm curious about Sales Dynamite Jack. But you guys see how this works? You know, it is pretty easy if you get certain questions and see how to improve it. And it will take a couple of days that you get all the questions. And then at some point, you covered it 90%. So, Jack Hopman. Okay.
Hello. Thank you for calling Jack Hopman Support. I'm your 24/7 AI phone agent. What is your name?
My name is Jack, and my email is support@jackhopman.com.
Thank you, Jack. And how can I help you today?
Tell me more about Sales Dynamite Jack.
Sure. Jack, the Sales Dynamite bundle is a comprehensive package that includes several powerful tools. 1. Lead Finder Jack, cloud-based and desktop versions for lead generation. 2. Groupon Prospector, new. 3. Valpak Prospector, new. 4. New Biz Prospector. 5. Local Theme Jack, Enterprise 2.0. 6. Rapify 20, X. Invoice clients with Rapify Pay. Series of live training webinars. 9. Website Auditor, Cloud. 10. Rapify AI. These tools are designed to streamline client prospecting and service delivery, helping digital marketers grow their businesses. For more detailed information, you can visit jackhopman.com.
Guy, so we just entered it. Isn't it amazing? So we just entered that question and answer, and you can just, but let me show you something other amazing, that I can listen to the call on a mobile app. You guys see my mobile phone? And then you see the calls, and you click on the call replay, and then let me try to play it.
Hello. Thank you for calling Jack Hopman Support. I'm your 24/7 AI phone agent. What is your name?
My name is Jack, and my email is support@jackhopman.com.
Thank you, Jack. And how can I help you today?
Tell me more about Sales Dynamite Jack.
Sure. Jack, the Sales Dynamite bundle is a comprehensive package that includes several powerful tools. 1. Lead Finder Jack, cloud-based and desktop versions for lead generation. 2. Groupon Prospector, new. 3. Valpak Prospector, new.
You guys see it? And this is just your mobile apps. And that is what I do. And sometimes when a prospect caller asks a question, the AI agent doesn't give a correct answer or doesn't know the answer. What I do is I go in the edit, and then I update the prompt. And you do that for a couple of times, and then it will be perfect. So, but if you use the premium AI, it will be even more fluent. So that's the difference. If you have a lot of calls, then select standard. But if you only have 1 or 2 or few calls per day, select the premium. It's much better. How much is it? The ConnectBoss. Let's see. Go to Jack Hopman. And where is ConnectBoss? See, guys, see ConnectBoss. Hey, we do the viewer social media banner. Oh, here's ConnectBoss. Is a trial and then $49 per month, which includes the mobile app. Can we charge the minute for the service to prospect? Yes, that will be released by Friday. So we are working on it, and probably it will be released tomorrow, but for sure by Friday. So you can charge per minute, and yeah. When you go to ConnectBoss, all widget, let's go to the Jack Hopman one. And then you see phone widget or AI assistant. And one of the options is AI assistant. You get forward number, then you have to answer by yourself. You can say, I only want to answer in the app, or I want AI assistant to answer the call. This is very cool. And then via the mobile app, you can listen to the replay, but also via the mobile app, you can follow up. You can send a text message to the caller. So now you lead them from a lead to a hot lead inside the mobile app. Any question how things work? Everybody clear? So you enable it via the AI phone widget, AI assistant, and then in the calls, AI assistant. Of course, you enable it, and then you add it. You select standard or premium, and then you enter the basic prompts, call start, about the support, and then the knowledge base. And that is the knowledge base based on your product or service. You see all this 20 seconds. I just did it an hour before the webinar. It's not that hard. It's a trial, the product, how can I schedule? So you just come up with the most logical question, and then you listen to the replays, the recordings, and then maybe they ask something what you haven't covered, and you add that question and answer. And that's 95%. You covered all what the most logical question. And there was somebody else asked that in the premium. So that's only with the premium. You can transfer calls. So let's say other, and then label Jack. Okay. If they said, can I call with Jack, or let's say this is your name then, and then you enter your phone number. That's the transfer call. So if they ask, can I speak with somebody? And this appointment, you link it to the biz calendar, and then you link it to the service, the service you provide. And now there will be a real meeting scheduled. So the meeting part works and the transfer call part. But that is part of the premium. Any other questions? All good, you guys? Of course, I will run. If you already have ConnectBoss, enjoy. And if you don't have, I will run a weekly promotion. Okay, if I didn't answer your question, just send me an email at support@jackhopman.com, and I'm happy to help you out. Thank you so much.